garlic, onion, chicken, opo, then okay. Add the pepper, seasonings, then add the chili, then mix, then cook on 5 minutes low heat. They have produced from the beaches water. Let's cover, cook up 5 minutes low heat. Wow, it's already good na, guys. Taste. Salt. And you can add salt. Then mix. This one is very healthy, guys. Ginisang upo na may chicken at shrimp. And we can taste again. It's already good. So, for today's video, guys, ginisang upo na may hipon at saka manok, chicken with shrimp. This is splitting times. Very healthy and delicious. It's splitting time. It's already done. Ready to serve na. And eat. Ginisang upo na may guys, na may chicken with the shrimp. This is very healthy. And budget. Okay. Thank you, God, for the food and for everything you give us. Delicious. I'm done.